Hi guys, and welcome finally to another episode of the Build with Pappy and Graham show. I'm Pappy.
And I'm Graham.
And we're here today to do the decals. Let's get that up to the camera. That's as far as Graham got in the last episode. All painted, ready for, and gloss clear coated, ready for the decals. So he's going to do decals for the first time. Here's the decals, and we're doing the one on the right. There's 24 decals to put onto this model, so we're going to be around a little while doing this. I'm going to show Graham how to do the first one, and then I'll leave the rest up to him. So on with the glasses. Let's move. You ready for this?
Yep.
Cut the two bottom crosses out. Putting them on in the water. We're going to let them soak for a while, and we'll be back in a few seconds. Hi guys, we're back. The decals have been soaking long enough. They're now out. We've got them out. I'm going to put a bit of decal setting solution. I'm using the Walthers setting solution. Just show Graham. Put a bit of that over the area where the decal has to sit. And the decal's going to go in that position there, look. So Pappy will do the first one. I'll show you what to do. And you just use a cocktail stick just to slide it on there like that. And then on here, we look at where it's positioned. You see the edge is level with that line. So we want that edge to go level with that line, look. And then we straighten it up. And then the bottom edge sits just on that line there, so I think we're in the right position there. The light's bad here. There we go. You can see that now. So it's level on that line. It's
40 minutes
level there.
left.
So that's that one done. And then we're going to let you do this one. So what we do, just get tip of your brush in there and just rub it on there like that. Alright. That's it. Now put that decal on. Same position, you're going to get that edge level with that line there. So, I know, do you want to hold this and do this? There you go. It's alright, you can move it around when it's on there. So just drag it off the paper.
Oh, great.
So what you want to do, that's it. Now just position that edge. You could use your finger, just drag it. Just push it till the edge is level with that line. That's all. Just got to come over a bit more.
Like that?
You see that line now, look, going up. You want the edge of the transfer to go level. There you go. That's it. And then we just want to make sure it's straight. Pappy's moved. Pappy's straightening his up because it's moved. And yours is fine, yours is right where it's supposed to be. Mine moved somewhere. I must have caught it. There we go. So that's it, we've got the first two decals in place. I did this one and Graham did that one, and now Graham's going to do the rest of them. So we're going to just switch off again while the rest soak, and then he can put them all down. So we'll see you in a few seconds.
Bye.
Hey guys, we're back. And we're now going to do the two white crosses on the top of the wings. So they're going into the water to soak for a bit. And Graham, you're going to dip the brush in there. You only need a little bit, you don't have to do that. And then just put it over that area of the wing there.
Here?
It looks like, yeah, they are. Okay, so that's the top two on. So we've got two crosses on the top, two crosses on the bottom. It's 4 down, 20 more to go. So we're going to close off again for a few seconds while we put the decals in water, and then we'll come back. See you in a few seconds.
Bye.
So we're back, guys, and the next ones we're going to do are the crosses that go on the side of the fuselage halves. They're going in the water now. And while they're in the water, Graham's going to put some decal scent solution over there.
Yep.
That's straight. Looks straight. Oh, my eyes are terrible.
Your eyes look terrible.
Does that look right? For the instructions, let's check. Does that look okay to you?
Yep.
You sure? You happy with that?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Okay. So that's the first side fuselage cross on. And the next one then, slide that one on. Oh, it looks like we need a bit more decal solution. Okay. And that's on the line.
I hear them again.
Oh, these 1/72nd scale models destroy your puppy's eyes. He can't see a thing. That's why Pappy builds the big models, so it doesn't hurt his eyes. I have to wear these just so I can see. Alright, so we've got the two side fuselage crosses on. And we're back in a few seconds when we've cut the next decals out and ready for the water. See you soon.
Yeah.
So now we're going to do the number 7s that go on the side of the fuselage and the horizontal bars. They're going in the water to soak. And you're going to put the 7, Graham. See the number 7 on the right side of the cross, that will go there. So again, put some decal solution just there. Hold your brush there. Okay, that looks right to me.
Okay.
That's the first 7 in place. Alright, now we're going to do the opposite side. So, put some decal solution on there. I'll rub it on. Alright, now put the next 7 on there. There you go, just hold this edge and slide that on. So that's the next one done. Now we're going to do the bars, the white bars. So have a look, you see the white bar where it goes?
Yeah.
So you're going to put one there and then we'll do one there on that side. Hi guys, we're back. So Graham's got the side fuselage stickers on, transfers, crosses, the 7 and the horizontal white bars both sides. We've got just 4 more decals to do around the nose. 2 eyes that go on each side and the eagle-head squadron emblems. So let's do these eyes. We're going to put them in the water while they're soaking. You can put some decal solution on the side of the fuselage. So you're going to put it there, dip it in there. And then put it all over here.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the eyes on the side. Got one on each side. And all we have left is the eagle-head emblems. They're going in the water. Oh, and again. Excuse me, I've got the hiccups. And then you're going to put some decal solution just there. So dip your brush in the decal solution. put it all around there.
Yeah.
Okay. Now use the tweezers. You got to get those out. Alright, let's put them on there to drain the water off. I'll hold them and you can slide them off. You want number 4, this one. So Pappy's just going to get that number out of the way. So just slide that one off onto the... Let's move that water out of the way. You ready? Just slide that one off. There you go. Let's see where it has to go. It has to go just to the left of that line, so look at where the line is. Oh. Alright, so that's the first eagle head on, and he's going to put one on the next side. So hold your brush and do some of that over there. Looks about right to me. Okay, so that's the last decal down. So that's it for decals, guys. What do you think? You like it?
Yeah.
Looks cool.
Can I bring it home?
You can bring it home when we've finished it. We have to put varnish on to seal the decals in tomorrow when it's all set. And then we have to put the windows on. We have to put the wheels on.
Imagine having a sleep over here.
And then when that's done, we're going to put it on a little base with some mud and grass.
Cool.
Wow.
That's awesome.
And then you can take it home. So that's it for today, guys. Finished the paintwork. We've done the decals. We'll let them set overnight. We'll put some gloss varnish over the decals to seal them in.
More stickers next time.
No more stickers, that's all of them. And then we'll stick the wheels and the window on.
But where are these?
That's for the different version, that one. We did that one.
Oh.
So that's it. So you have to come round here and say bye-bye to everyone.
Bye, everybody.
Is that it?
Yes.
Alright. Wants to watch TV with his brother. Alright, so that's it. We're over and out for now, guys, and we'll see you back at the next update, and hopefully that'll be the end. Seal the decals. I'll do that tomorrow because he's not going to be here. I'll just brush over some varnish, and then we'll, when he comes back, we'll stick the wheels, the window on, and we'll put it on a base. I'll show him how to make a little base with some mud and grass. Alright, until the next update, guys, tally-ho, thanks for watching, chocks away.
Bye.